Yes guys, welcome back on India's largest e-learning platform, GradeUp. Today I am going to give you the review of HPCL exam which was conducted today for 120 seats of mechanical engineering. So guys, as per the majority of the student, they were saying the exam was very easy, and out of 170 questions, about 140 questions were very easy to attempt. They were also saying as per their experience that more theoretical questions were asked. So theoretical questions were more in number. Which was already expected, as in every session I was also predicting that more theory questions will be there, because more number of questions in less time you had to do. So because of that it would be there. Okay, ऐसा होना ही था. And guys, after that some of the topics where students were saying that more questions were there from production, and also when we are talking about some other subjects like FM, like theory of machines, like thermo, for these subjects the weightage was relatively more. So the weightage was relatively more for these topics. And my dear, for the subject like industrial engineering, power plant engineering, for them it was very less weightage. Okay, and as per the students review over the aptitude part, students were saying that aptitude part was very easy. It was completely easy. Basically it was completely easy to attempt. Okay, and as per the student it could be easily completed in time as well. So neither it was difficult nor it was lengthy. So my dear, overall level, if you see, as per the students who have attempted the exam, overall level was easy for this exam. And as there is no negative marking, and as per the nature of PSU examination, there were more questions which were memory based. And my dear, at the same time, I would like to say, like some of the students also told about the type of question, like they were asking like tailored tool life, you know that. So in tailored tool life they have asked about the index, the value of N for different material. As you know, these type of question I already predicted that this type of questions are coming. In production, solder composition was asked. Similarly, if I will be telling you about, like you have seen in GATE previous years, elastic recovery question have been there in GATE 2021. So that elastic recovery question was repeated. Okay, elastic recovery question was repeating. From metal cutting there was not much question. As I said, tailored to life question was there. And English and aptitude was very easy. And my dear, as I said that there were some question from material science which were related to iron carbide diagram, phase diagram. Okay, so my dear, this is about the review, or you can say overview of HPCL exam today. And this was as per the students who have already attempted this. So guys, hope you guys have given the paper in a nice manner, and most of you would have felt the same, because this is the review from many number of students. And guys, best of luck for the result, and I hope that all of you would be selected for this post. And best of luck for the result, and goodbye guys for this session. This was just a short related to the overview of the exam. So goodbye guys, we will meet soon for other upcoming exam like for BARC and all. So best of luck for tomorrow as well, because many of you would be having HAL exams as well. So goodbye guys, finally, for this session.